Watch the full video please.
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to get 360 waves, 720s, whatever type of waves it is, how to get waves in 2021 for beginners. So take out your notebooks, take out your phone, your notes, whatever it is, just take notes because I'm about to go crazy, man. After this video, you will know how to get waves. I'm telling you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright y'all, so I took my time and I made a PowerPoint for you guys, alright? I remember when I was in college, I used to do PowerPoints in front of my class. I used to do PowerPoints in business class and English class. And I just thought it was like the best way to learn. When we used to present, it was just like my time to shine. And I felt like I was on top of the world. Everybody was looking at me, waiting for me to drop knowledge on me, you feel me? And I feel like the PowerPoints really help you because for a lot of visual learners, you can hear me talk, but it's not really gonna sink into your brain like, yo, this is what I gotta do. So I made a PowerPoint and I'm gonna go over the PowerPoint with you guys to show you and tell you what you will need to get 360 waves. So stay tuned. I hope you got your notes. I hope you're ready to take notes. And yeah, let's get it. All right, y'all, so this is my PowerPoint right here, all right? I got a Google Drive, whatever you call it, all right? I'm about to present real quick. So, how to get 360 waves in 2021, okay? Don't make fun of my 2021. That's how I write 2021. That's how I'm gonna write 2021. It's a trend. I'm a trendsetter, you feel me? Hop on the trend, 2021. All right, so it says beginners right here with stars because this is for beginners. All my elite wavers, they already know this stuff, but I'm talking to my beginners. I'm talking to you. If you're a beginner, you don't know how to get waves, you're here to learn how to get waves, this is the right video for you. Let's jump right into it. Boom. Number one, wolf. Wolf. All right, you have to wolf. Wolfing is important. Wolfing, first off, let me tell you what wolfing is. A lot of people ask me on TikTok, yo, what's wolfing? You always tell somebody to wolf and your reaction go, we don't know what the heck is wolfing. Wolfing, like I said right here, just look, take notes, look, all right? Wolfing is when you let your hair grow 6 to 8 weeks plus without cutting it off, all right? So if you let your hair grow and you get your hair cut every 2 weeks, we're not doing that no more. We're gonna go past 2 weeks. We're gonna go to 6 weeks, let our hair grow, and then we're gonna brush, all right? We're gonna lay that wolf down. When the wolf is laid down, you get more definition. It's just, you can see over here, you can't see any scalp except for my crown right here, but right here it's all hair. I'm wolfing. It's deeper. My waves look deeper. It's more definition. The shine is there, but yeah, just anything below 6 weeks isn't wolfing. If you're wolfing, if you say, oh nah, I ain't get a haircut in 4 weeks, you're not wolfing to me. You're not wolfing to me, all right? If you want to be considered wolfing, you gotta go 6 weeks plus, all right? 6 weeks plus, then I'll be like, oh snap, you wolfing. That's when you gotta really put in the brush work so that your waves could look like this and like this over here. Now, when you put in the brush work and you lay your hair down, your hair is gonna look just like this or even better. And wolfing works on a lot. It works on connections. It works on breaking forks. It just, wolfing is very important and you have to do it if you want to become an elite waver or if you want to just have waves. All right, moving on. Wolf cut. Now, when you cut your wolf, you guys can see a big difference from when I'm not wolfing and when I'm wolfing. This is when I'm not wolfing. This is when I am wolfing. Do you guys see the difference? Let me know in the comments if you see a difference. Wolfing, not wolfing. Wolfing, not wolfing. So now on my wolf cut, this right here is a 1.5. I cut it down to a 1.5, 1.5. You could definitely go down to a 1.5, but it's gonna look super light. Your scalp won't be showing. If you're not an elite waver, you might lose progress. I wouldn't advise you guys to go to a 1.5 unless you know what you're doing, you're experienced enough. But a 1.5 for me, I could handle it, so that's why I went that low. But I don't really like 1.5s. I'll probably cut down to a 2 or 1.5 guard open. A 1.5 guard open is similar to like a 1.8, so it's basically a little bit higher than a 1.5. So this is what I got. You guys can see the difference between a wolf and a fresh cut. Now, if I didn't wolf, my waves will not look this deep right here. The reason why my waves look this deep, you can still see the definition in the waves is because I wolfed. If I never wolfed, my waves would not look like this. All right, I'm telling you this right now. So wolf cut, after a successful wolf session, you should have better definition in your waves and better shine, okay? Better definition, better shine. Everything is just much better when you wolf. And then when you cut the wolf off, you're gonna see a lot of progress. So wolf. All right, know your texture and porosity. So your hair texture and hair porosity, you know, those are kind of like beginner stuff you should know before even trying to get waves, because your hair texture, if you don't know your hair texture, you're gonna be doing the wrong things. If you're a coarse hair waver, follow me. Follow Poppy Blasted, Waveman Mike. We all coarse hair. If you're a medium texture waver, 360 Jeezy. I'm not sure who else is medium. Elis P Wavy. Who else? That's all I really know on the top of my head right now. But yeah, straight hair wavers, look at Tsunami Timo, Deville Perry. No, stay in your lane. That's what I'm trying to say. You can't do what you can probably possibly pull it off, but if you're a medium straight hair coarse hair waver, this is your group. If you're a straight hair waver, watch Tsunami Timo, because he doesn't do the same thing a coarse hair waver does. You're a coarse hair waver, watch me, Poppy Blasted, Waveman Mike. If you're a medium texture waver, watch 360 Jeezy. These two, coarse and medium, kind of similar, so basically we could do the same thing. Medium texture waver could cut down to 1.5, but they may lose progress. While a coarse hair waver could cut down to 1.5 and it's no problem at all. So medium texture waver and coarse hair waver is not too far apart. But a straight hair waver can't do something that a coarse hair waver could do. Dang, there's a lot of tongue twisters. But yeah, if you're a straight hair waver, do not cut down to 1.5 and try to imitate a coarse hair waver. It's not gonna work. Come on, man. Be quiet. I'm trying to record a video right here. Alright, knowing your hair texture and porosity will be a great start to your wave journey, so find that out. 3 hair textures: straight hair, medium hair, coarse hair. We just talked about that. To find out your hair porosity, if you're high porosity hair, that means your hair dries up pretty quick. You need a lot of moisture in your hair, which means when you do a wash and style, you have to add conditioner. A lot of people do wash and styles and don't know how to make the conditioner lather, so they don't even put the conditioner because their hair tends to over curl after they finish the wash and style. When you do a wash and style and you don't add conditioner, your hair will be super dry. So you have to add in that conditioner, leave it in for 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes even, and then rinse that out. And yeah, your hair will be well moisturized. Low porosity, make sure you moisturize your hair pretty good. High porosity, I'm not really sure. I'm not high porosity, so I don't really, do research on that, but maybe I should. But yeah, moving on to the next slide. Hair chart. This is the hair chart. This right here is straight hair. 2A, yes, that's like super wide wave. Somebody with 2A hair texture, it'll probably they'll probably have 2 waves, 3 waves max, or 4 max on their head. All right, so that's what the difference is. 2B probably have like 5-6 waves in there. 2C, decent amount of waves, probably 10 waves, 8-10 waves. I think Jeezy's a 3A. Jeezy's either a 3A or in the middle of a 2C and a 3A. I'm in between 3B and 3C, if not 3B. Poppy Blasted, 4A, 3C, if not 3C. And then over here we have the super tiny waves, which is a 4C. Moving on to the next, brushing. Brushing is the foundation of your waves. You have to brush every single day to progress. All right, if you miss a day without brushing, that's not bad, but you can't go a whole week without brushing. Make sure you brush. Go get your 2-6 King Wavy brushes. Link is down in my description. Use the discount code JUICE15. You get 15% off, all right? Go check the website out. I'm here to help you guys get some money off these products, all right? Go get your 2-6 King Wavy products right now. Get you some brushes and start brushing them so you can get your waves to come in. So yeah, basically what the brush does is it pulls your hair, and then when your hair gets pulled forward, it bounces back, and then it kind of curls up, and then the more you brush, the better your waves become. Moisturize. Moisturizing is important. It keeps your waves looking healthy. Most importantly, Moisturizing your hair keeps your hair looking strong and your scalp hydrated. Like I said, for my low porosity hair people, you gotta moisturize, man. If you want some moisturizer, we got some moisturizer right here. Butter moisturizer by 216 Wavy. We got the pomade that's gonna add shine to your hair and help keep your hair laid and smelling good, because these junks smell freaking good. Alright, that's why I really love them. They smell really good, smell really amazing. And the oil by 216 Wavy is a hair growth oil, and on top of that, it seals in the moisturizer and the pomade. So always put the oil in last. Going with the moisturizer, pomade, then oil to seal everything in, and you know you gotta rag up. Use discount code JUICE15, as I already told you guys, to get 15% off everything on this page right here. Next, wash and style. Washing and styling is the only possible way for a waver to get a good wash in and not lose any progress. You cannot wash your hair any other way as a waver. You have to do the wash and style. And if you guys don't know what a wash and style is, I got a bunch of wash and style videos on it on my channel. Go check them out, and I'll teach you guys how to, you know, properly wash your hair. Washing your hair is important because it takes out this weeks, like if you go a whole week just moisturizing your hair every single day, all of that builds up and it turns to dirt, and your hair just starts to smell. Washing and styling gets rid of all the hair, and the styling part makes sure your hair stays laid and you don't lose any progress. That's why it's very important to all of us wavers. All wavers do washing styles, and you have to perfect that in order to become an elite waver and not lose progress. Wear your do-rag to sleep. Wearing a do-rag saves progress. So after a passionate brush session, after you did like a 45-minute brush session, you're like, yo, my wave's coming in. You feel me? Put on your do-rag so you can save that progress. Don't just finish brushing and then go play basketball and think that your waves are gonna stay looking the same. Alright, after you finish that brush session, when you're about to play basketball, go to the gym, put your do-rag on and do what you gotta do. And don't take that do-rag off until the sweat is dry, alright? Because if your hair's still damp or wet, it's gonna get frizzy, and then it's gonna be a lot. It's gonna look terrible, alright? Just don't do that. Especially when you're going to sleep, wear your do-rag, wear your do-rag, wear your do-rag. Alright guys, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys were taking notes, okay? So thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to all my beginners and even my intermediate wavers. All my elite wavers, if you're watching this video, if I missed anything, drop it in the comments, alright? But thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy. And make sure to be here in my next video. Peace.